Yo, 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 what's happening, peeps? So, tonight, welcome to the Big Brian Show. Tonight, Big Brian's cooking, right here, Angus chuck pot roast for me and baby girl, me and Zoe, okay? So, I got some aluminum foil so it can catch the, the gravy. And I also got it in the, see that pan right there? I got it in that pan too. Alright, so now I'm just going to season it. I ran out of seasoned salt, but I'm using this right here. I got from the Amish market. Hamburger seasoning. So I'm going to just put some of that on there. And I'm going to use this crab seafood seasoning. I'm going to flip it over and do the other side. Hang on. Okay. Flipped it over. And by the way, guys, it's frozen. It's thawed out a little bit, but I'm cooking this from frozen. So I don't know how this is going to work out. And I got to put I got some celery salt. Put some of that on there. And I got to put my pepper on there. My red pepper. I use this for a lot of stuff. I love it. Oh yeah, I had some onion powder too. I'm gonna put some onion powder on there. I like onion, so just to give it some onion flavor. That's it, guys. Let's go to the air fryer. Okay, guys, there it is. It just got in there. Now, I googled this. They said cook it at 390 for 18 minutes. So I preheated it. And let's do 20 minutes. All right, and guess what? I'll be right back. Okay, guys, smells really good. Let's see. Wow, look at that. Let me see if it's done. I'm about to run out of memory too, so that's why I'm rushing here. Let's see. No, not quite. I'm gonna put it back in. It's not quite done yet. Okay, guys, I flipped it over. I'm almost out of memory. That's why I'm rushing. But it looks pretty good. Look at that. How about it, right? Hang on. The internal temperature was good, but I don't like it that rare. You want it to be at least 145 internal. And we're right there. All right, hang on. I'm gonna pause it again. Depends on the person. Let's see. Some people, I mean, it's tender too. Some people like it red. It's not rare, but it's like medium rare. Depends on how you like yours. I'm gonna do 2 more minutes at 400, and I'm done. I don't want to overcook it. There it is, guys. Looks beautiful. Let me put it on the plate. Cut some up. Look at that, guys. Did that look good or what? And I got my rice and the gravy. Hang on. Can't leave you guys hanging. I gotta give a shout out to Jonathan. Jonathan, I hope you're watching this one, buddy. But guys, look at that. I want to taste it without the steak sauce. That's good. Here you go, baby girl. That's baby girl. Oh yeah. I'm about to run out of memory, guys. Baby girl likes it. Mm-hmm. Peace out, guys. This is delicious. I poured the rest of that gravy on the steak, too. Peace.